hope you didn't buy at the ceiling, because experts are saying there's supposed to be a pullback to $94,000 for Bitcoin this week. All right. This is an article from Coin Telegraph. Bitcoin price back to 94,000. 5 things to know in Bitcoin this week. All right. So now, if that's the case, if we're going to pull back to 94,000, I'm looking for prices around 94,000. You know what I'm saying? To start copping. That's what I plan on doing. It would be nice if they were lower, but this might be the end of an era. This might be the end of the 5-digit Bitcoin era. We might be moving forward into the 6-digit Bitcoin era indefinitely. We'll see. Let me know what you guys think, if that's what's going to happen or not. Bitcoin faces a giant inefficiency on short time frames as a week full of potential volatility starts with a wobble. Now, at the time of this recording, right, and probably by the time you guys watch this video, you will notice that the cryptocurrency market has pulled back somewhat. Now, you know what I'm saying? As far as I'm concerned about the current pullbacks, hey, my wallet's still looking nice. You know what I'm saying? My wallet's still looking way nicer than it looked pre-election, and I haven't bought much more. You know, so my question for you all is, what do you all think is causing the pullback price correction right now, market wide? Let me know. Bitcoin saw its first weekly close above $100,000, which was a volatile start to a new trading week. Weekly close records did not last long, as analysts warned that the market should fill a $10,000 downslide wick from last week. All right. So what they're saying is there could be a $10,000 downslide. All right. CPI week dawns, and the United States Federal Reserve is less than 10 days away from its next interest rate decision. All right. So let me know what you guys think that the Fed is going to do with the interest rate. China announces its first policy loosening move in nearly 15 years, starting in 2025. Bitcoin price analysts sees choppy conditions characterizing the market for the short term, with the next stop-off point at $110,000. All right, so between 94,000 and 110,000, those might be areas that might be key. All right, Bitcoin price dip sooner rather than later. Bitcoin saw a last-minute surge on December 8th, allowing it to set a new record weekly close of above $100,000. The first ever close in 6 figures. The event was short-lived, with Bitcoin US dollar heading below 99,000 and trading down 2.8% on the day at the time of writing, per data from Cointelegraph Markets Pro and TradingView. And as you guys know, we've seen several times that Bitcoin has hit that $100,000 mark. That's the mark that we were never supposed to hit, but we did multiple times in the last week. All right. Still unable to sustain above 101,000, popular trader Skew summarized in his latest market analysis on X. Skew explained that a combination of nearby resistance factors kept bulls from edging higher towards price discovery. Looking for strength and demand from here to lift the market higher, confirm 98,000 area as support. Else, continued weakness means sit on hands for a bit, he concluded. All right. So again, this 94,000 to 110,000 range is very important, and people should take note of it. All right. Fellow trader Crypto Nuevo adopted a cautious tone. Bitcoin, he argued, needs to backfill half of the giant daily candle wick to 92,000, printed during a liquidation cascade on December 5th. Crypto Nuevo added that there was a 96% probability that the wick would be filled, calling it an imbalance, that it would hold back the market in the meantime. Is it a possibility that the price goes up from here, breakout without filling the 50% wick at 94,000? He wrote in part of a new X thread. Yes, it is, but I not trust that move because there is a major imbalance to the downside that needs to get filled sooner than later. All right, and as you guys can see, there's a little bit of spelling errors there. CPI comes as markets see more Fed rate cuts. The consumer price index print for November marks the highlight of this week's U.S. macroeconomic calendar. With less than 10 days until the Federal Reserve's interest rate decision, markets are increasingly betting on policy easing to continue. All right, so now let me ask you guys this question. Let's see where we at. If the Fed decides to decrease interest rates, what can you expect to happen with the market? If the Fed increases interest rates, what is your market expectation? Let me know. All right. The latest data from CME Group's FedWatch tool indicates majority odds of 85% that a 0.025% rate cut will follow the Fed's December 18th meeting. All right. Officials continue to face a dilemma: raising unemployment and rising inflation, which together create an environment known as stagflation. All right. And we're going to be talking about this rising unemployment as well, because this is a problem that's looming that people haven't really focused on. Right. All eyes are on CPI and PPI inflation data as markets hope to solidify another 25 basis points rate cut. Trading resource The Kobisi letter summarized, also referring to the upcoming Producer Prime Index release. More unemployment data will accompany PPI, with crypto markets especially sensitive to the latter in 2024. The median duration of unemployment in the U.S. rose to 10.5 weeks in November, the longest in 3 years. At the same time, the average unemployment duration rose to 23.7 weeks, the highest since April 2022, Kobisi noted at the weekend. Both metrics have been now rising at pace previously seen at the onset of the last 4 recessions. So these economic indicators, what does that tell you about the direction that the market is going? People should really be paying attention to this. China embarks on rare fiscal easing. A classic macro boost for Bitcoin may yet come from China as soon as 2025. China has announced that it plans to relax fiscal policy next year, the first such shift since 2010, and a move seen as highly symbolic by risk asset traders. As quoted by media publications, including Reuters, on December 9th, Beijing sees the need to ensure that policy is appropriately loose going forward. The potential influx of liquidity, which could come as a result, will likely be keenly felt by crypto markets. Earlier this year, Chinese fiscal stimulus injections had a near instant impact on Bitcoin price momentum. Analyzing 10-year bond yields, Dan Tapiro, founder and CEO of 10T Holdings, argued that they represent the most important off-the-radar macro chart in the world right now. Negative real interest rates in China takes edge off U.S. inflation fears. U.S. dollar strengthens, rates drop, NDX up, plus liquidity, part of a dedicated X post stated this weekend. For investment research firm HFI Research, however, it is specifically bonds that stand to benefit from any positive liquidity changes. China is about to find out that it's following a similar path as Japan, it told X followers last week. All right. The more monetary stimulus it does, the more liquidity flows into bonds as opposed to risk assets. Why? Because people are skeptical that the fiscal stimulus will work. All right. So now we got another important factor. While some people are ignoring the digital market, you got Microsoft voting on whether to adopt a Bitcoin strategy. All right. Institutional Bitcoin adoption may hit the headlines in the coming days as technology giant Microsoft votes on whether to add Bitcoin to its balance sheet. Now, let me ask you guys this question. 2 questions. Do you all think that Microsoft will adopt a Bitcoin strategy? And if they do adopt a Bitcoin strategy, what do you think is going to happen to the Bitcoin price as a result? Let me know. Following a pitch by Michael Saylor, CEO of business intelligence firm MicroStrategy, to its board, Microsoft now faces a decision as to whether to copy his Bitcoin treasury. On December 1st, Saylor shared the slides from his presentation, calling Bitcoin the highest performing uncorrelated asset that a corporation can hold on its balance sheet. Microsoft should be powered by digital capital, one stated. Okay. Rumors also center on fellow American tech giant Amazon considering a Bitcoin treasury after a proposal to its board by the National Center for Public Policy Research, a U.S. think tank. Now, this is interesting. As Cointelegraph reported, the proposal took aim at CPI due this week, calling it a remarkably poor measure of inflation. Is Amazon buying Bitcoin? Charles Edward, founder of quantitative Bitcoin and digital asset fund Capital Investments, queried in one of various speculative responses to the news on X. Last week, research suggested that MicroStrategy could survive an 80% Bitcoin downdraw without serious consequences for its balance sheet. All right. So again, this is what I'm talking about. A choppy new year. Despite its run up to new all-time highs, Bitcoin could face a protracted consolidation period and increasingly stubborn resistance levels. And that should not be a problem for people who are in the game the way that I'm in the game. These are the times when you get your money up. All right. That is according to analysis from Crypto Quant, which sees choppiness characterizing short-term Bitcoin price behavior. The 14-day choppiness index is in an early zone showing corrective moves during consolidation, contributing analyst Percival reported in one of its quick take blog posts. Okay. The choppiness index is not unique to Bitcoin, but on daily timeframes, it suggests that a breakout from the current trading range on Bitcoin US dollar is increasingly unlikely. 15-week highs mean that the pair is now choppier than at any time since mid-August. Percival flags two price points worth noting in the battle against the chop: 110,000 and 120,000, both of which correspond to levels of profitability for Bitcoin speculators. For this, he leveraged the realized price of short-term holders, entities holding a given amount of Bitcoin for less than 155 days. The psychological pull of the 120,000 mark, he explained, makes that level a future deeper consolidation camp. All right, so this is interesting. We're going to see exactly how accurate this is. We got 14 days to pay attention to this and see where we land. All right. So now next, what we're going to do is we're going to talk about how ignoring meme coins can cost you millions. Shout out to the people in the Discord. You know what I'm saying? The meme coins are where a lot of the money is at. Now, people tend to not believe that because a lot of people tend to not understand Bitcoin, despite the fact that the people that say that they don't understand Bitcoin or meme coins have literally bought meaningless and worthless things before simply because they wanted them. They don't understand the psychological aspects of the market. And sometimes purchases don't really have to have a rhyme or a reason. The only thing that matters is historical data. But regardless, we're going to put some facts behind the claims. And here's some of these facts right here. Meme coins reach $140 billion market cap and gain ground in the crypto economy. $140 billion is a pretty big deal. All right. Now, there's a lot of people that say, you know, they talk about big deals that are really not impressive. $140 billion is an impressive big deal. The meme coin sector was worth 11.21% of crypto market capitalization, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, as of December 1st. All right. Now, there's a situation that's starting to happen involving meme coins, and I'm not going to talk about it on YouTube. And one of the reasons I'm not going to talk about it on YouTube is because my cryptocurrency content is unappreciated and it's underutilized. So we're going to be discussing the dog coin situation in the Discord. So if you're not a part of the Discord, you might want to join the Discord. All right. Meme coins like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu are gaining market share within the broader crypto economy, according to a research report by CEXIO. Meme coin trading volume grew 979% from January 1st to December 1st and accounts for 5.27% of the entire crypto market's volume. Now, here's my question. How can you look at that number and say there's no value in these? Please explain it to me in the comment section. Political meme coins have lost popularity since the U.S. election, and I disagree with that. If you consider Pepe a political meme coin, Pepe has been doing astounding its entire life. You know what I'm saying? Meme coins undoubtedly capture a big slice of crypto observers' attention, even if everyone is not a fan. But data shows data, all right, facts. But the facts show they're gobbling up a growing amount of the crypto economy too, all right? The sector, powered by the likes of Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, made up 3.16% of the combined market capitalization of all cryptocurrencies on December 1st, up from 1.3% at the beginning of the year, according to a new report from crypto exchange CEXIO. If you exclude crypto titans, Bitcoin and Ethereum, meme coin market share jumps to 11.21% from 4.2%, which is pretty impressive. Okay, that's pretty impressive. And what's even more impressive is how much of a percentage Doge, Shiba, and Pepe make out of that amount. All right. That equates to big dollars, more than $140 billion of market value per CoinGecko data, stashed in cryptocurrencies that don't pretend to have any utility. Extremely volatile by nature, they tend to be named after animals, viral internet jokes, and political figures or events. As Bitcoin topples the $100,000 threshold for the first time, meme coins are also rocketing higher. Dogecoin has soared 168% since Donald Trump's election spurred throughout the crypto market. Dogecoin is now the 7th largest cryptocurrency by market cap at $64 billion, according to CoinDesk data. The question is whether this is just how things work in the early stages of a bull market these days, or a harbinger that things have gotten overheated. All right. In previous cycles, meme coins typically experience their largest capital rotation toward the end of the post-halving bull run. Alexander Kira, vice president of product management at CEXIO, told CoinDesk in an email. Halving, as we all know, because we talked about this, refers to the once every 4 years event. The most recent one was in early 2014, when the reward for mining Bitcoin gets slashed by 50%, which often correlates with crypto gains. However, this cycle stands out due to significant rise in meme coin influence occurring well before the halving and persisting even during Bitcoin's consolidation mid-year, Kira added. The oldest meme coin, Dogecoin, was created in 2013 as a joke and gained significant attention during the bull market that ended in 2021, as Tesla CEO Elon Musk repeatedly posted about it on social media. Other dog-themed coins like Shiba rode on Doge's coattails and reached billions of dollars of valuation. Over time, meme coins came to be considered a crypto investment category in their own right, in the same vein as decentralized finance tokens, artificial intelligence tokens, or privacy coins. While meme coins may eventually reach a plateau similar to DeFi, the market is still in the process of determining where that equilibrium will be established, Kira wrote, eating up market share. So again, what we see with the meme coins is that the meme coin markets are not decreasing. They are increasing over time. All right. The meme coin market share is increasing rapidly, exponentially over time. And I want you guys to pay attention to these time frames of these 3 and 4 digit percentage increases and ask yourself a question, regardless of whether it is a loan or regardless of whether it is a investment. Where are you seeing percentage increases or APY like you see in cryptocurrency? All right. The meme coin sector underwent explosive growth early this year, the report said, when the daily number of projects deployed on Pump.Fun, a Solana-based crypto project that makes it easy for users to launch tokens, went from a few dozen a day in February to thousands per day in March. Nowadays, over 60,000 meme coins are created daily, half of them through Pump.Fun, the report said. So that's something to pay very close attention to, right? And I just got this feeling that Pump.Fun it's going to get regulated at some point. It could possibly get shut down, but I think it's definitely going to get regulated because people tend to get on something like Pump.Fun and people don't have a lot of sense people don't have a lot of self-control. People are not very intelligent on average, and they're going to just use that. They're just going to abuse that. And eventually somebody's going to have to step in and say, you people are idiots. This is how this has to be done. And it's ironic. The very people who complain about government control and censorship are the very people who tend to exploit things in an idiotic way and make it bad for everybody else. As a sector, meme coins saw a 330% increase in their combined market capitalization over the period from January 1st to December 1st, the report said. So that's almost about a year. Almost about a calendar year. For comparison, Bitcoin is up 140%, all right, since the beginning of the year, while Ethereum is up 71%. Meme coin trading volume grew by 979% in the same period and now accounts for 5.27% of the entire crypto market's volume. Furthermore, meme coins retained significant volume in June, while other sectors of the crypto economy saw declines. And if you guys go and watch old videos, which not very many people do, shout out to Brooklyn Queen because she does, you will see that I was telling people about particular meme coins back then. Particular meme coins like Peppy, particular meme coins like Bonk, particular meme coins like Mog. You know what I'm saying? Furthermore, meme coins retained significant volume in June, while other sectors of the crypto economy saw declines. As a gateway for new investors, the growth of meme coins highlights the increasing influence of retail-driven narratives in the crypto market. As a sentiment bet, it reflects market optimism and the anticipation of a continuation of the post-halving rally, Kira wrote. However, with increased share of meme coins, it also highlights the potential for the faster appearance of speculative bubbles. While this could amplify the intensity of a bull run, it might also shorten its duration. The meme coin sector has changed over the years. Dogecoin and Shiba Inu dominated trading value and market capitalization in 2021. In contrast, 2024 has seen a wide variety of newer meme coins, such as Dog with Hat, that's one of the ones I told people about, Brett, Peanut the Squirrel, and Popcat crack or come close to the top 100 coins by market cap. Now, there's a lot of meme coins that are in the top 100 market cap. Can anybody name any? And whereas the majority of the largest meme coins were dog themed up until March, cat themed and AI themed tokens have been stealing the market share from dog tokens. Now, again, we're going to have a special discussion about dog coins, and that'll be on Discord. All right. Potential meme coins also fared well into the US election in November, after which they saw an 80% drop in trading volume, which they dropped 80%, but they gained 379%. So do the math. The networks on which trading activity occurs have also shifted. Dogecoin has its own proof of work blockchain, which mimics the Bitcoin networks. And this is important. This is very important. Ethereum-based meme coins such as Peppy and MAGA have also seen some popularity, but Solana, thanks to Pump.Fun, is the big winner of the meme coin craze in 2024. The network accounts for 30% of the sector's trading volume, and 15% of meme coin market cap is based on it. However, Telegram's Ton network meme coin is trading volume grew by 750 times in the last 6 months, even though the blockchain still only accounts for 1% of the total meme coin market cap. All right. Given meme coin's ability to boost retail involvement and revenue generation for DeFi platforms, 2025 could see stronger integrations between launchpads and decentralized exchanges to capitalize on this trend. And that's exactly what Telegram and Crypto.com are doing with the partnership that they have with Capybara, which is another one that I told people to get. And the day that I got it, it increased about 350%. However, in ecosystems like Solana, heavy reliance on meme coins has raised concerns and could eventually backfire, straining its broader development. And I definitely agree. Pump.Fun is cool. You can definitely get in on some degen plays, but the problem with Pump.Fun is not the technology, it's the people. It's always the people, ladies and gentlemen. It is always the people. All right. So now we about to talk about Peppy, because I told people to get Peppy a long time ago. Check it out at the very least, right? This ain't financial advice. Shout out to the YouTube manual reviewers. Had you gotten Peppy way back, put a small amount of money in it, you'd be doing very well right now. You know what I'm saying? And from what I see and hear people talking about and complaining about and whining about and crying about on YouTube, they're not doing very well. It is what it is, right? Peppy meme coin flips Uniswap token in market cap and hits an all-time high. Okay, it hits an all-time high. According to data from CoinMarketCap, Peppy has a maximum supply of roughly 420 trillion tokens, with all tokens already in circulation. Popular meme coin Peppy overtook Uniswap's token in terms of market capitalization on December 7th. The frog-themed meme coin currently has a market capitalization of over $11 billion compared to Uniswap's market capitalization of approximately $10.6 billion, hitting a new all-time high in the process. All right. According to data from CoinMarketCap, Peppy gained approximately 16.8% during the past 24 hours and is up roughly 26% over the past 7 days. At the beginning of 2024, Peppy had a market cap of approximately 591 million. The popular meme coin briefly crossed a market cap of 11 billion on December 5th and is currently floating around that level. The $11 billion market cap represents growth of roughly 18 times since the start of the year. All right, 18 times since the start of the year. If I'm not mistaken, I'm pretty sure that's a 180% increase. All right. Peppy launched in 2023 following the meteoric success of other meme coins like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. The meme coin, which openly purports to have no intrinsic value, so you can't sit there and say that you're being scammed if it literally says it has no intrinsic value, has become a favorite among meme coin traders. All right. Peppy's rise to become a top 20 crypto by market cap. Now, mind you, right? Told people, get Peppy, check out Peppy. Peppy has all of the right elements in place to where it could have an explosive jump. Many heard, few listened, even fewer acted. Shout out to the fewer who acted. You know what I'm saying? You're sitting pretty nice on your Peppy bag right now. If you're sitting nice on your Peppy bag, put a bag in the chat, all right? Peppy is a meme coin paying homage to a cartoon frog created by comic book artist Matt Fury in 2005. Although the project has no ties to Fury or the original Boys Club series that gave birth to the cartoon character. Since its release in 2023, Peppy has risen to become a formidable competitor to staple meme coins like Doge and has experienced gains of over 7,000% since its inception. Okay. In September of 2024, Peppy began to rally following months of downward price action and consolidation. The frog-themed meme coin gained 30% in a week during the last week of September 2024. However, the price of the meme coin retracted in the early days of 2024, wiping away those gains. Okay. Price continued to consolidate during October before kicking off a historic rally in November that saw Peppy reach its previous all-time high and culminated in the current all-time high. The popularity of the meme coin among market speculators and investors caused Binance US to list the token on December 5th, as meme coins continue to be a major narrative during the current market cycle. All right. The current market cycle, meme coins been going crazy. I've been trying to tell people about the meme coin strategy. All right. I've been trying to tell people about the Bitcoin strategy. They made Michael Saylor great for his Bitcoin strategy and ignored me about mine. The same way people ignore me about my meme coin strategy and buy on the ceiling. I don't get it. I don't get it. Shout out to the people that bought Peppy back when we analyzed it. You know what I'm saying? Make sure that you guys show some love, drop a like, hit the bell. If you're not subscribed to the channel, share this video to your social media, and I will catch you all on the next video. All right, peace.